Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody here today. I'm here with the unboxing for my July 2018 kit review, and this month we are reviewing Simon Says Stamps card kit of the month. And so it comes in this nice sturdy box here. Pretty nice box actually. It's just taped and it came in the mail very, very nicely. No crushing or anything like that, and I always really enjoy when it appears in my mailbox unharmed and completely ready to use. So I'm going to share with you all the details of the kit, and then I'll actually unbox it for you. This just came directly out of that box that you saw, so I'm going to set it aside for a moment. And let me tell you about this kit. So this kit is a card kit, but as you know, if you watched me for a while, I do like to challenge myself every once in a while with a different type of kit, especially since I like to do different types of projects. I don't do a whole lot of card making on YouTube. I do some card making on in my own time, but I don't feel like I'm good enough to really share a whole lot of it on YouTube. So primarily what I use these kits for are 12 by 12 scrapbook pages or Project Life scrapbook pages, and every once in a while I'll do a mini album. I have never shared any Traveler's Notebook spreads, but I do kind of dabble a little bit in that, so you never know what might show up on my channel. Or I do like 9 by 12 spreads or 8.5 by 11. Those are a little bit more scattered in between, but it's primarily 12 by 12 scrapbook pages or Project Life scrapbook pages. Or pocketed style scrapbook pages, whatever you want to call that. So anyways, someone had suggested the Simon Says Stamp card kit a couple months ago, and so I decided to go ahead and add it in this month. And so I've got all the details here on this resource guide, and if you're not familiar with this guide is listed on my blog, which is always linked down below in the description box. And I have a page, or 2 pages, depending on how long it is, of detailing all the details of each kit that I review, and then I also will include what I made with it and then links to all of the videos that are related to that kit. So you can really kind of get an idea of what is in the kit and what I have to share with you and what my thoughts were of it. Kind of before you purchase it, it just kind of helps to be able to look at all the details before you actually, hit that pay button, and especially since there's so many options out there for us. So anyways, I'm really rambling today, I guess, but I have this kit to share. And so it's from Simon Says Stamp, as I said, and the website is just www.simonsaysstamp.com. And then you're going to look for the kits. It's a link somewhere on the top menu bar, I believe, for kits, and it's the monthly card kit. So it is a card kit, and pretty clearly a card kit, and you'll see that in a moment. Month reviewed is July 2018. Subscription. So this is an interesting fact for this subscription, because a lot of subscriptions, if you subscribe, there's a penalty for canceling or whatnot. This one actually does not have a penalty. So if you are a subscriber, it's $29.99 a month. If you are doing a 1-month purchase, it's $34.99. However, if you do subscribe, you can actually skip a month at no fee as long as you, sorry, I've got glue or something, as long as you email them before the 16th of the month before. You can skip months. If you skip up to 6 months, after that 6th month, they'll actually cancel your subscription because you've been inactive for 6 months. But also, if you want to cancel it, all you do is email them as well. So, it's really kind of nice because you can subscribe just for 2 months if you want, or you could subscribe for 24 months, or you could subscribe for a month, skip a month, get a month, skip a month, however you want to do it. But you will save $5 by doing that. So I thought that was kind of an interesting thing. It might be worth kind of looking at that if you just want to try it for a month or two, to subscribe to save the $5 and then cancel it if you don't want it, or skip a month. Shipping, it's $6.99 for the US and Canada, and that's because if you're a subscriber, it's just sending you this, and that's the shipping for less than $50. And since these kits are less than $50, you would get that shipping for that tier. International shipping, it's supposed to be $14.99. I'll add a 9 to that on the resource guide so it'll actually be correct. The release date is at the beginning of the month. I didn't put the actual date, but I will check. I believe it's the 1st of the month, and I'll make sure to update on the resource guide as well before I post this for you guys. If you're subscribed, the kit will automatically be shipped to you on the 29th of the prior month. So if you are a subscriber, the July kit would have been shipped to you on the 29th of June. And you're billed for the purchase plus the shipping at that same time of shipment. I've got all the contents listed here, but you'll see that whenever we actually unbox it. Some additional kit options for you. There are additional things in the shop that you can purchase that coordinate with this kit, such as a wafer die, coordinating sequence, or other things like that. Each kit is different though. So I just listed two things, like the wafer die was $7.99 if you wanted to add it, and then additional sequence was $4.99 if you wanted to add it. However, each kit each month would have different add-ons with different pricing. So that's just kind of an idea of what you could add on. And then just a couple notes down here. Coupon codes are not valid on the card kit purchases, and subscription shipping cannot be combined with any other purchase from the shop. So that's how you know that these shipping prices, what they are, because it's the less than $50 tier. All right, so that's that. If you guys have any questions on this, just leave a comment down below and I'll get the answers for you. And like I said, I'll update that. Instead of $14.99, it's $14.99. And then I'll update, I believe it's the release date. Thought it was the first of the month, but I will confirm that to be sure. All right, so you get it. It comes in this little bag. And you know what? I just saw something that I didn't realize came with this kit. So I might have to actually change something. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this because before I forget. It comes with the die and the kit. I actually didn't see that when I was looking at it, but that is one of those additional things you could purchase if you want. So there are additional things, but that is just an example. But it actually does come with the die. I didn't realize that. All right. So I've got the list of the contents and I will share it with you. But I also want to show you this because I love it when kits come with this. So you get an email with this as well, but it is included in your kit. It gives you at least 6 projects using the items that came in this kit. So it kind of gives you a couple ideas, which I absolutely love. And I believe all these people are on the design team. I'm pretty positive they are. So if you're like me and you're not necessarily the best card maker, at least that's my opinion, then it is kind of nice to go ahead and have these ideas of cards that you can make, and it tells you like what is in the kit as well. All right, so I'm going to set that aside, and this is called a Cool Summer Kit if you wanted to know that. All right, so you get some papers here. We've got a real pretty green, and these are all Simon Says stamp papers. This one's green leaf, and these are 8.5 by 11 because this is a card kit. However, I'm going to show you how I use this in scrapbook pages. So that's green leaf. This one is bright yellow, island blue, and doll pink. And don't you just love, love, love how bright these colors are. This is why I really wanted to purchase this kit this month, because I fell in love with how bright and colorful this is. I absolutely love the colors in this kit. All right, you also get, and I thought this was really nice because I paid $34.95, $99. I could have saved the $5 if I had subscribed. But look at this massive stamp set that you get. This stamp set's called One Cool Pineapple, and it's a Simon Says stamp set, of course. And I like how you've got some really nice sentiments, but you've also got a lot of really pretty graphics that you can use to make Project Life cards or embellish or whatnot. By the way, I want to apologize for my voice. I've got a sinus infection and an ear infection, so I'm kind of struggling right now, and it's hot outside, so my nose is running, and it's just like that summer cold thing, you know, that just sucks. So that's kind of what I'm working with right now. Plus, Caitlin's playing basketball downstairs, so I'm sure you can hear that as well. But anyways, so back to this stamp set. So you've got a pineapple, you've got some bubbles, a couple different size hearts, a star. It makes me think kind of like a starfish. Just a solid circle. You've got a sun, and you could stamp this behind the sun and then stamp the sun on top of it. Some more bubbles here, a fish, I think I said a pineapple already, a flamingo, some sunglasses. You could put the sunglasses on the sun, on the pineapple. I mean, you could really kind of, or put them on the cactus. You've got a cactus down here. You've got a piece of watermelon. And then your sentiments are wishing you a happy birthday, you're one cool pineapple, you bring the sunshine, you're one in a melon, be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons, and stuck on you. So those are really fun. And again, it's the One Cool Pineapple set. It's a 6 by 8 clear stamp set. So there's that. You also get, I'll show you these. Let me open it. And this is where you could tell it's definitely a card kit. Not only just by the size of the cardstock, but you get some scored cards here. So 3 scored cards, and they're just white, fairly thick, slightly glossy, or slightly coated, I suppose you could say, cardstock cards there. You get a sucker. And you get some Sizzix foam adhesive, permanent foam adhesive. And let's see, yeah, it's just one big piece of foam adhesive, so you get that. It says peel here, there you go. Okay, let's see what else you get. You get, and that's adhesive on both sides, by the way. You get, I think there's only one, let me make sure, yep. You get an envelope. Mine's got something on it, but that's okay. I could decorate it. I got a really pretty envelope that matches that pink. You get a piece of glittered cardstock. And let's see. Yeah, that's the same color, doll pink, by the way. This is, I was trying to see if it told me what it was from. Nope, I don't see what it's from. Let me look. Oh, they said this is 120-pound cardstock, by the way. Okay, this is just Simon Says Stamp pink glitter paper. It's a 6x6 sheet. I was trying to see if it seemed really thick, so I thought it might be adhesive, but oh. Nope, it isn't. I'm just pulling the layers apart. Okay, but you see, there's no glitter coming off, so that's a really nice piece of glitter paper. You know, I hate the glitter papers where the glitter falls off. I love the paper, but I hate working with it, because when you're working with it, it really, really sucks. All right, then you also get a part of a Carta Bella Summer Splash 6x6 paper pad. So this is what I'm going to assume half of a paper pad, but we'll go through the pages here. We've got a whole bunch of different beach words: beach, sun and fun, lifeguard, beach cruising, pool party, beachcomber, tropics, snorkel, etc., etc. And it's got the wood grain background. A red and white polka dot. These remind me of like slices of oranges and limes. You've got a palm tree. You've got some flamingos and some beach balls. Just a really pretty blue with some distressing around the edges. These are little 1-inch icons. Waves. Flippers and flip-flops. Looks like waves again, but that looks more of like from the sky view of a wave. You've got a whole bunch of different beach towels with people sunbathing, and then the tops of, again, an aerial view, top of umbrellas. These look like a whole bunch of different pools with the little diving boards, kind of an aerial view look again. These are a bunch of different little die cuts, square cuts that you can cut out and make die cuts. My Happy Place, New Friends, Summer Splash, Beach Please, Pool Rules, Stripe. An aerial view again of the ocean. You've got the people sunbathing, and then you've got people snorkeling in the water. These are just a whole bunch of what it looks like beach towels laid out. You've got some bottle caps, some wood planks, some fish. Again, another look at a different ocean look. Clotheslines with a bunch of bathing suits hanging. Starfish. Sorry, they're playing basketball downstairs in my foyer area, and I'm sure you can hear them yelling at each other. And then you've got some beach scenes here. It says, life's a beach, seize the day, beach hair, don't care, beach please, relax and unwind, and so on and so forth. And then just a bunch of like drink graphics here on the back. I like that. That's pretty. All right, then you, of course, I've already shared this with you, but you get the wafer thin die of the flamingo. That would be so pretty, cut out of the glitter paper. I could totally see that. You get some Simon Says Stamp gold, summer gold sequins here, and they're really small. If you can see those, I like those. There's some yellow tones, orange tones, and gold tones all in there. Really pretty. You get an Amy Tangerine puppy sticker, and this is just Amy Tangerine. I didn't know if I had a different collection or anything. Good Times. Sunshine and Good Times. Excuse me. That's what this is. And you've got a whole bunch of different icons here. Really fun icons. I love all the birds and fruit pieces, shoes. And then you get the very last thing here is an American Craft sticker book from Amy Tangerine, and it is the Sunshine and Good Times collection again. And these are clear stickers, but it's 162 pieces here. I love the little sewing machine. Excuse me, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm like sniffling and everything, but I wanted to make sure I got this up for you guys. And I've been sick for about a week and a half now, so it's not going away. So I figured I've got to press on and just continue. This gives you, oh, there's, I thought there was missing a sticker. It's got white print on it, so whenever you put it on a piece of colored paper, you'll see it. I like that it's a mix of icons as well as words, as well as like little, you know, decorative things. Lots and lots to use here. I love the bees. Beautiful butterflies with some gold detailing on them. You've got the word or days of the week, and then some labels and things back here. Excuse me. So there's 8 total pages. There you go. All right, so that's the kit. That's a lot to work with. Let me know if you guys have any questions whatsoever. I'm really excited to see what I can create with this, especially since it's not a 12 by 12 scrapbook kit. I'm really kind of excited to see how I incorporate the stamp set, how I incorporate all the different colors of cardstock, and how I actually can make 12 by 12 layouts with this. Clearly, I'll also use it in Project Life, especially since I have a bunch of beach photos now to the scrapbook. I think I mentioned that when I did my video on Sunday for the Audrey Yeager's Summer Scrapping Challenge. I had a lot of summer photos that I printed. So I think I've got like 9 more layouts to do from that beach trip. So it would be wonderful to use this collection because it has a lot of beach themes in it. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Let me know what you think of this kit already, whether you've used it before or just reactions to this unboxing. I would love to hear what you have to say, and I can't wait to see what else I create. All right, thank you so much for joining me. I'll be back soon. Bye.